Hello everyone! Today we are going to talk about mosquitoes, focusing on where mosquito larvae are commonly found. Our study surveys Thai and Chinese temples in Trang province to compare control methods, examine religious influences, and identify their species. Let's dive into it.
So our study focused on two key objectives. First, we aim to compare the abundance of mosquito species and identify their main breeding sites in Thai and Chinese temple environments. By doing this, we can understand where mosquitoes are most commonly found and how their population differ between these settings. Second, we would examine how cleaning practice impact mosquito abundance and breeding sites within these temples. This will help us determine whether certain maintenance routines can effectively reduce mosquito populations. And these are materials that we use for our observation. First is fish net, plastic bag, cup, and plastic spoon.
The survey begins with visits to Thai and Chinese temples in Trang province, where all natural water sources and containers, both with and without water, are inspected. The presence or absence of lids is noted to assess potential mosquito breeding sites. Once breeding sites are identified, mosquito larvae and their predators are collected by scooping them into a plastic bag. The MHM app is used to record the latitude and longitude of each site, and this data is saved in the Globe Observer MHM app for further analysis. The collected samples are then brought back for identification under a microscope, and photographs are taken for species identifications.
And for our data collection, this study collected data through field observer in Trang, Thailand, focusing on mosquito species diversity in temple ecosystem. Historical records 2018 to 2020 provided a baseline while new data were gathered from field surveys at selected Thai and Chinese temples. We collected mosquito larvae using standard digging techniques from artificial and natural containers, including tires, trash containers, and plant crumbs. Larvae were identified morphologically, and GPS coordinates were recorded using the Globe Observer Mosquito Habitat Mapper and HM app to map distribution. The data were compared with historical records to analyze species diversity trends, detect ecological drift, and improve understanding of mosquito populations in these habitats. And for our resource, mosquito species distribution vary by temple type, influenced by structural and mitigation factors. Chinese temples had only Aedes aegypti and Aedes albopictus, while Thai temple had more species, including culex and mansonia. Bleeding risk was higher in Chinese temples with a 100% container index compared to 57.89% in Thai temples due to water holding containers. Statistical tests confirm a significant link between mosquito species and temple type, p equal 0.028. Globe data from 2018 to 2020 show a peak in larvae in 2019 and consistent bleeding preference across container types.
Short-term measures like fumigation provide temporary relief but are not sustainable. Community-driven efforts and environmental modifications are more effective for long-term mosquito control. Targeted interventions should focus on high-risk areas, especially Chinese temple. Public awareness and participations are crucial for reducing mosquito breeding, and future research should expand data collections for better insights.
3, 2, 1.
Thank you.